guys, Carey with DrillFit Training. I'm going to show you all one of my favorite functional exercises today, and that is hitting the tire with a mace or with a sledge hammer. This is great for a back day or shoulder day. I'm going to go ahead and get right into it and explain as I go. So whichever foot you have forward, which I recommend a staggered stance versus your straight on both feet forward stance. Whichever foot you have forward, that hand goes on the bottom of the handle. So right foot forward, right hand on the bottom of the handle. All of your weight is in the top of this mace, or right here in the ball, or in the sledgehammer, it's in that heavier end. So choke up on it as much as possible. It's gonna be a lot easier for your shoulder as you go through the movement. Couple steps back. If you want to start with the mace on here, you can kind of see about how far back you need to be. Starting this exercise, we are going to come from the bottom slightly in front of the hip. It's okay to use a little bit of momentum here. So we're coming around, opening that arm up, swinging back behind us. As you come to the top and come down, we're going to slide the hand to the bottom of the handle. Big important part here, this handle, as you hit, needs to go to the outside, pulling beside your body. Reach around and grab. Do it again. Pull out to the side. I recommend doing about 5 to 10 reps like this, so that way your body and brain get the movement down. Then you can go a little bit more continuous, which I'll demonstrate. Let it bounce, and that's where that part comes very, very important of pulling that handle to the side, because it helps pull this back to you. So come around, hit, pull. Go ahead and switch sides. What we do on one side, we want to do on the other side. So left foot forward, left hand, bottom of the handle. Start from the bottom, come around, up from the top, slide hand down. This exercise is great for spinal mobility, for shoulder health, the rotator cuff. Great for the shoulders, lats, back movement. Love it for the core. So many different things. Very functional movement. Gets your heart rate up a little bit for some cardio. That is the tire hits with the sledgehammer or with a mace.